Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your username on Instagram. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your username on Instagram, it's actually so easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Instagram app. And after opening your Instagram, next, go to your profile at the bottom right corner. And once you're on your profile, you will now be able to see the edit profile option, which is where you can edit and make changes to your account, such as your profile picture and username. So just go and tap it. And after that, you will now be able to see your username right here. So just tap it to change your username. And then you can now enter the new username that you want, and make sure that the username you will enter is unique. Once you're done entering your new username, you can now tap the check button to completely save your changes. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Instagram username will now be changed. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.